How to play Sims on Mac. There are a few ways to play The Sims on Mac. One way is to purchase the game from the Mac App Store. The Sims 4 is available for purchase on the Mac App Store for $49.99. Another way to play The Sims on Mac is to purchase the game from Origin. Origin is a digital distribution platform that allows you to purchase and download games from EA. The Sims 4 is available for purchase on Origin for $49.99. Once you have purchased The Sims 4, you can download and install it on your Mac. To do this, open the Mac App Store and search for The Sims 4. Click on the Sims 4 icon and then click on the Get button. The Sims 4 will then download and install on your Mac. Once The Sims 4 is installed, you can launch the game by clicking on the Sims 4 icon in your Applications folder. The Sims 4 will then open and you can start playing the game. If you are having trouble playing The Sims 4 on your Mac, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. 1. Make sure that your Mac meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. The minimum system requirements for The Sims 4 are OS X 10.9 or later, Intel Core 2 Duo 2.4 GHz or equivalent processor, 4 GB of RAM, 1 GB of free hard disk space, 1280x768 minimum screen resolution at 32-bit color DX 9.0C compatible graphics card with 1 GB of video memory. Internet connection required for product activation. 2. Update your Mac software. Make sure that your Mac is up to date with the latest software updates. To do this, open System Preferences and click on Software Update. 3. Repair your game files. If your game files are corrupted, you can repair them by following these steps. Quit The Sims 4. Open Finder. Go to your Applications folder. Right-click on the Sims 4 icon and select Get Info. Click on the Repair Disk Permissions button. Refer to the IMG below. Click on the OK button. 4. Restart your Mac. Sometimes, restarting your Mac can fix problems with games. 5. Contact EA Support. If you are still having trouble playing The Sims 4, you can contact EA Support for help. Here's how to download custom content for The Sims 4 on Mac. Find a custom content website that you trust. There are many different websites that offer custom content for The Sims 4, so it's important to find one that you trust. Some popular websites include The Sims Resource, Mod The Sims, and Plumbopkeep. Once you've found a website, browse the custom content that is available. There is a wide variety of custom content available, so you're sure to find something that you like. When you find a piece of custom content that you want to download, click on the download button. Once the download is complete, open the file. The file will be in a .package format. Drag and drop the .package file into your Sims 4 mods folder. Your mods folder is located in Documents Electronic Arts The Sims 4 mods. Once the .package file is in your mods folder, launch The Sims 4. Your custom content will be available to use in the game. Here are some things to keep in mind when downloading custom content for The Sims 4. Make sure that you only download custom content from trusted websites. There are some websites that offer malicious custom content that can damage your game. Make sure that your computer is up to date with the latest security patches. This will help to protect your computer from malware that can be installed through custom content. Make sure that you have a backup of your game before you download any custom content. This will allow you to restore your game if you have any problems with custom content. Be sure to read the instructions that come with the custom content. Some custom content requires certain mods or settings to be used. If you have any problems with custom content, you can try removing it from your mods folder. If that doesn't fix the problem, you can contact the creator of the custom content for help.